Hi, let's see last week's portfolio update. So this week is the last week for the month. So we'll have a monthly review as well. Going through the portfolio update, right now portfolio stands at 2.4k. As you all know, car wash, Costco membership, everything is now financially independent. Now we started a new expense, Netflix. Currently we invested $385 and everything went to TSLY. If we go to TSLY, the number of shares currently I own is 26 shares at an average share price of 14.3839. Yesterday and day before yesterday, actually the market was soaring up. That's why TSLY currently worth 14.8. If you see the dividend yield for TSLY, it's 27.52. So it's a high yield, high risk, high volatile ETF. Let's go to the activity. Let's select the last week's range. Last week, we had a deposit of 289 and morning trading it went to TSLY. We bought for an average share price of 14.44. We bought around 20 quantity. After that, $28 trading on Wednesday, I guess. Again, it went to TSLY. The average share price was 14.46. Thursday, again, the regular $11 deposit and an extra $18. So everything $29 went to TSLY. And the share price is 14.62 and quantity 1.98. So monthly we check the earned dividend. Right now it is for 5.89. Uh, Monthly let's check. So we are on a profit of $33, 1.77 percentage return. We got to car wash earned dividend 5.82 monthly. So this will update like this month when we should get more than $10. That is the cost for the car wash. And the allocation, if you see car wash right now, the target allocation is 54%. So it's almost the same on the target. Actually, it's 55.3. Costco membership, again, it's almost same. Like 29% was the target and it is 28.9%. Netflix, right now, with aim 17%. So the remaining this week's investment also will go to Netflix. Let's go to our Excel to see the monthly dividend. Here you could see currently TSLY, our number of shares increased to 26.0636. That's why the monthly dividend it crossed $25. That is like a milestone achieved last week. And also the annual dividend also crossed $300. So monthly dividend currently it's 28.74 and the total cost invested is 375 for TSLY. The entire portfolio we invested 2353.01 and current yield on cost for the entire portfolio is 14.66. Let's check the financial independent date. Here we are putting the monthly dividend as of now it is 28.74 and let's calculate. So the age reduced drastically like financial independent age currently it's less than 300. So right now it is 298 and the year would be like 2022 83 June 23 and at that time I would be earning a monthly dividend of 12.75 million. That's a major update this week. Let's go ahead and see the monthly review. This is the age progression. So we started on December 4th with 467. Every month it got reduced And last month the update was like our financial independent age was 339. Right now my financial independent age is 298, so it's less than 300. That's a milestone. And from the dividend perspective, like monthly dividend perspective, we started with 0.99 and it keep on increasing. Last month we were at 12.59. This month it was a good month, so our dividend increased to 28.74. Let's see the milestones achieved this week. This week the monthly dividend it grows $25. Annual dividend it grows $300, and the financial independent age it became less than 300 years. Let's see the milestones achieved so far.